Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so Yas made an announcement about the June box and I'm really excited about it. So this is going to be kind of fun. Now we don't have an exact spoiler, but this is kind of like a little sneak peek into June's box. So today on their Instagram, they announced that there will be 4 different variant eye palettes coming that will be in the June box. So I'm not exactly sure of what palettes this is going to be, so I am guessing, and now this is not confirmed, so don't hold me to it. So I know they showed off the Beauty Creations Splash of Hues palette a little while back and asked you to say yes if you wanted that palette. So that might very well be possibly one of the palettes that will be in those 4 variants. So I'm really excited to see this. And then I wanted to show you this. This was something that they posted on their Instagram back in January, and it shows a couple of different palettes, and it says these are future, they will be in future Yes boxes. And I think there's already one of them that I know of for sure. Now, comment down below if I'm wrong. There might be more than one of these that's already been put out, and I'm just not, putting my finger on it, but who knows. So, but I did want to show you this in case there is a couple of these palettes on here that hasn't been out yet, and it did show them as future palettes in future boxes. So I'm quite excited to see what these 4 palettes are going to be. So tell me what you guys think down in the comment section. Also guys, make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't. As long as YouTube sees you're watching, that's all that really matters. Also guys, one more tiny thing before you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.